Hey guys, I hope you all are doing great. This is Rimpi. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to give you a tour of the entire hotel where we stayed in Pattaya. So it is in central Pattaya and it is about 20 minutes away from Bali Hay Pier, from where you can board ferries or boats to visit Coral Island. So name of the hotel is Crystal Palace and it is a 5-star hotel. So this is the lobby and the reception area, and now I'm going to give you the tour of entire room. The room we stayed here is superior room. The room is quite spacious, well decorated and maintained, and here you will get all the modern amenities like hair dryer, all the toiletries, minibar and all. And this is the dining area where the breakfast is served. And in breakfast, they have plenty of options, as you can see here. So this is the outside area and it also has a big swimming pool with poolside bar. The location of this property is very good and you will get many convenience stores like 7-Eleven, Big C, etc. within walking distance. And the price of this hotel is very less. You can get it under 2500 INR. And like, can you believe it? A 5-star hotel at this price. And also there is an Indian restaurant called Blue Taj nearby, and we had all our meals over there. And also you will get many transportation options from here, and honestly saying, we had zero problem. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video and find this video helpful. If yes, then don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon and also share with others so that this video can reach out to more people and more people can get benefited. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.